my goodness, this is the kind of vibe I need this year. Hi darlings, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. On this channel I do videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle and vlogs. So if you like any of those, honey, consider yourself subscribing and also put notification bell on so that you don't miss out any video when I upload. So today darlings, I'm so excited because I am back with another contact lenses video, and this time around guys, we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing contact lenses from APRILEYE company. And before we start this video darlings, I want to give a big thanks to APRILEYE company for sponsoring today's video and also for sending me this cute little box right here. And I love their packaging. The box is very simple, cute, and I love the color. These are the contact lenses guys, and I'm gonna be unboxing them with you and try them as well. So without much time guys, let's go ahead and unbox. So this is how the box look like when you open. First we have the certificate card, and this one is very important guys because this one shows that the contact lenses are well tested and they are way good to use. And backside is written all the instructions you need to follow when you're putting on your contact lenses. Especially for the beginner, this one is very important. So these are the contact lenses. They sent me 4 of them. They're very cute. I love the color. These are the storage boxes to store your contact lenses after use. So guys, let's go ahead and try them out. The first contact lens I want to try is Tipsy Brown. So darling, this is how Tipsy Brown look like. I have contact lenses on one of my eye and this one is without, so you can see the difference. So darlings, this is how Tipsy Brown look like. I love the color. They look so natural on my eyes. If you love to wear the contact lenses that doesn't show too much, they look so natural, these are the right contact lenses for you darlings. So darlings, go ahead and get yours, and don't forget to buy using my discount code SherryG so that you get 10% off your purchase. The second lens we're gonna try is Submarine Crans Sand. So darlings, now I'm wearing Submarine Crans Sand and I love the color. I have the contact lens on one of my eye and the other one is without, so you can see the difference. Ooh, wow, this is so cute. So darlings, this one is Submarine Crans Sand and I love the color. They have a little red and brown on them and that gives a very cute look on my eyes. I love them. So this is how they look like. I love the color. Again darlings, if you love to wear the contact lenses that doesn't show too much, they look natural on your eyes, these ones are the best contact lenses for you guys. So go ahead and grab yours, and don't forget to buy using my discount code so that you'll be able to save some coins. So use this code right here to get 10% off your purchase. So far darlings, I love the lenses, and let's go ahead and try the third one. This one is Russian Girl. So darlings, now I'm wearing Russian Gray and I love the color. So I have contact lens on one of my eye and this one is without, so you can see the cute difference. So darlings, this is how Russian Gray look like. I love the color. They have a little black ring on them and that gives a very cute look on my eyes. As you can see guys, they look very cute. Who doesn't love cute eyes? I love them. Again darlings, the color doesn't show too much, they look natural on my eyes and I love them. I love them already, and I think this is gonna be my favorite contact lenses. I love all the contact lenses because they look good on my eyes, but this one, It's my favorite. It looks so cute on my eyes. I think this is gonna be my everyday contact lenses. The last contact lenses, guys, we're gonna try is Himalaya Gray. So darlings, this is Himalaya Gray. Oh my goodness, this is so the vibe. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is the kind of vibe I need throughout the year. Like, Himalaya Gray is giving that cute vibe. I love the color already. They have a black ring on them and that gives the extra cuteness. And I love them already. I think this one is gonna be my favorite lens also. I love the color. I love the way they look on my eyes. So darlings, this marks the end of this video, and if you love any of the contact lenses, I'll leave all the links and information in description box below so that you'll be able to purchase yours. And don't forget to buy using my discount code SherryG so that you'll get 10% off your purchase. And again darlings, thank you so much for your time, and in case you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit subscribe button below, put a notification bell on so that you don't miss out any video from me. So I'll see you on my next one.